Hello, now that you have gone through the foundation class in expression and equation, to test your knowledge, I want to give this a try. This is expression, and the kind of question that we ask you under expression, like I said in the class, is that you should simplify. So simplify this, this, and this. Under the equation, they will ask you questions like solve for, find the value of. So here, you have to find the value of x in this, this, and this. I want you to give these questions a try, and to test your knowledge under expression and equation, you can reach out to me via the comments to let me know how easy you find these questions. See you. Bye.